guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off auto doubling on YouTube. So sometimes you want to just automatically turn off your doubling on YouTube. So the first thing you have to do, you have to click on your YouTube. So let's click on one video that we can auto. So one thing you need to know is you can't actually automatically stop the doubling, but what you just have to do right here in the video, you want to turn off the auto doubling, you click on the gear that you can see right here, click on it and you can see audio track. So you click on it and the video, the language you're going to see original, that's the download for it. So you just have to click on it like that. So that's actually how to turn off the auto doubling on YouTube. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.